I'm taking you, oh, messy bed. Today I'm taking you guys with me to go apartment shopping. Since I'm getting an apartment, I'm gonna be able to decorate it and I'm really excited. I'm only gonna be in my program for 3 semesters, so 3 years. What? Whoa, that was a lot. 3 semesters, 1 year. And so part of me is like, don't decorate it that much. But then part of me is like, yeah. Because, you know, it's something about just going home and kind of like you have like the space that you're in, you know, it just sets the vibe. So I'm gonna be taking you guys around with me to go to the stores. What I'm thinking is that I want a white comforter and then get like white curtains and then get accent pieces of color, so like a throw for the bed. I'm gonna have my big beautiful mirror in the corner. I'm gonna get some like fake plants, but I love having, even just seeing plants, real or fake, I love having them around me. So I have a few things in mind, but we're gonna see how it really turns out. We're gonna see how awkward it is for me to walk around the store with a camera, but here we go. So I texted my roommate and I was like, hey, what size are the beds there? Because, you know, the first room I was gonna get from the apartment was fully furnished and it comes with a bed and like the living room stuff. And she's like, oh, it's not furnished at all. Actually, you have to get your own furniture. And I was like, oh, okay.
That sucks.
Okay, yeah, because the whole reason I even like chose this apartment was because it's like furnished and I didn't have to deal with all of it. What are your thoughts? I'm not happy. So I was going in there just to get like a comforter, maybe some curtains, rugs, stuff like that. And now I have to go to Walmart and figure out my whole life. Cause they were in the room, they would have had like a bed, a nightstand, and then like a dresser. And now I've got nothing but air and space. Anyway, so yeah, so now I don't have furniture in my room. And now me and Gina are about to go try to find me a bed.
Walmart, here we come.
I am so like triggered currently, but okay, fuck it.
It's okay, we're gonna make it work. God's got a blessing. Where's my backup?
No, I'm not feeling it right now. For a bed frame so far, this is Jean. Obsessed with the pillow. Hey y'all, what is up? Oh, what's it? What? Okay. Maybe I should turn this light on. I don't know. So I'm in my garage right now and I just wanted to give you guys an update. So the last I talked to you, I was having like a mini meltdown because, you know, I had just found out that my apartment was supposed to be furnished and it wasn't. So I was planning on getting all of this stuff for my apartment that day. So today's Wednesday, that was Monday. And I was planning on getting all this stuff for my apartment. And then I found that out. So I just was like, okay, well, hold on. Let me figure out what was about to happen. So yesterday we went up to the apartment place. We got it all figured out. So I'm actually not even going to be in that same room that I thought I was going to be in. I'm actually going to be in another little, it has like a whole different setup. I think it's kind of better. And right now I actually don't even have a roommate, so I don't know. So, but it is furnished, so we're happy. I'm so thankful for my parents. Like in the apartment place, they were very like willing to work with us on it. So I'm really happy that that got figured out. Yesterday, I went to Home Goods and I went to Tuesday Morning and Target and I found some really cute stuff. I'm going to be doing a haul. I'm going to put that as a separate video on my channel so you guys can just be able to see that. I have like things in mind that I want, so I'm just like going from place to place trying to find it. So I'm gonna be taking you guys with me today. I'm gonna hit up another TJ Maxx, another Marshalls, another Home Goods. Like we're going for it today. so I just left Marshall's and it was really good. I found a carpenter. I found a comforter, which I'm really excited about because I wanted to find the comforter so that I could get the throw for my bed and just, you know, like I feel like you can build off of the comforter. When you get like the curtains and comforter, then I feel like I can get other accessories and like, you know, little things that I want because it'll be within the color, if that makes sense. So I got that and I got a lamp, so I'm really happy about that. So now I can get all the little cute stuff I want to like decorate my apartment. But first I need to eat because it's like 2 p.m. and I haven't eaten yet. So I'm in an area where there's a lot of different food, so I'm just gonna grab something. And I need to put lip gloss on because I was waiting because I thought I was gonna eat, but I didn't. So I just looked dead. Alright y'all, so I had to add some red lip because, you know, I'm extra AF. I just ate. A bitch is feeling good. And now we're at Home Goods, the place where I feel like I'm at home. Like, I really like TJ Maxx and Marshalls, but Home Goods is like my place. So let's go do some damage.
Don't die on me. Your love is ecstasy. When we make love, it's telling me you get the better of me. You get the best of me. Every night, every single day, thinking about you in my bed, thinking about what I'm gonna say next. Die before I wait. I pray the Lord my soul to. I wanna fuck with you. This bed is only made for two. I don't care if you stay up past 2. That's how we do. Fucking the covers, watch how we move. I only fuck with you. I only see the sky.
Alright fam, so y'all just saw some footage of the cool stuff in that store. Once again, I bought something. I was kind of hoping I could find a plant and maybe a flower that I want to put on my side table, but I didn't. They have options, but it's just not what I want, and I don't know where I can go to get it. I'm going to try Michael's right now. There's another place that has that sort of things, and I can't remember. Oh, Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby actually would probably be really good. So I'm probably gonna go to Michael's and Hobby Lobby and then go home and sort out everything that I have, because I feel like I'm just getting so excited that I'm probably gonna start rebuying things, and I just want to like lay it all out and get an idea of like what it's gonna be looking like. Well, Michael's is canceled, honey. I went into Michael's and literally found nothing. They have nothing like what I'm looking for. It's more of like you could make your own flowers, but not as much like cute little vases, you know? So alright fam, so now I'm at TJ Maxx. So there's a TJ Maxx here and there's a Burlington Coat Factory. So I think I'm gonna go into TJ Maxx and then Burlington Coat Factory and just see what they have, and then I think I'm gonna be done for real till tomorrow.
You shall receive the blueprint. You got it.
So now I'm home. I went to Lowe's and they didn't have anything. I went to Lowe's for some artificial plants. They didn't have any. They didn't have any cute, like, you know, flowers or anything. Then I stopped at Walmart, and what did I get from Walmart? Oh, I just got like cleaning stuff. I looked there for artificial plants. nothing. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I got some cleaning stuff and some other little things that I needed, but I don't think I got any more decor type of things. So now I'm about to film my little haul. So make sure that you go over to my haul video and check out everything that I've got for the apartment. I will be showing you guys the finished product of the apartment, so you'll see it there. But if you want to see each item, how much it costs, where it came from, head over to that video on my channel. All right, family, so my camera's all charged so that I can talk to you guys. It's echoey because if you can see, there's like not much furniture. And I'm gonna open the door because there's a fly in here. So far, I'm really happy with my apartment. I'll give you guys a tour because I want you to be able to see it like before and after. So I guess we'll just start in here. I kind of have everything in the living room right now. But so this is the front door. You walk in and then there's this beautiful like French doors onto it's not a patio, it's really just being able to open your doors. Then we have some chairs, some couches. This is where a TV would go, but since I don't have a roommate and I only have one TV right now, it's probably not gonna be anything. I might put like flowers or some sort of decor there, or maybe not, because I don't know how much time I'll be spending down here. There's a cute table with all my stuff on it. There's a side table over here. My comforter's out because I want to wash it before I actually make the bed, so I have my sheets in the wash right now. Trash can, like I said, nothing's really put away yet. This is a pantry, which is actually, I think, more space than I'll need. We have some cabinets, some microwave, stove, which already does have a little bit of damage, but you know. College students, oh my gosh, how cute is this? I just started putting a little bit of stuff away. Wine makes life better. Go check out my apartment decor haul that I just did. This is the fridge and freezer, and then we have another pantry for like putting food away, and then also where we're gonna be storing supplies. I say we, I don't actually have a roommate yet. And then this is where the washer and dryer are, and you have stuff for area for storage, and I put my vacuum on the side. Here's the little island. It has 2 bar chairs, there's lights up top, and this is really interesting. Actually, high ceilings, and there's 2 rooms right here. I'll go over here. There's 2 rooms, and this is actually my bedroom up there. I'll show you guys in a second, but so this is the downstairs. This door straight ahead is the extra bedroom if I were to get a roommate, and this is their bathroom. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you my room. So there's a sliding door that will open and close it, and then it actually has stairs, which is really interesting. There's a light, so the switch right here to the light. You can close the door this way and it actually locks too. And so you go up the stairs and there's this little, like, I don't even know what this would be called, but here's my room. These are the windows I was talking about, so I can literally see down into the living room. It's kind of random. I don't really know why it's made like this, but it is. So this is what it looks like coming up from the stairs. This is where we moved the actual bed. I think I'm gonna have my light and plant over there. This is my dresser and where my TV's gonna go. Here is my bed. What is it called? Nightstand. Here's my shower, so it's not a bath. Toilet, mirror. Hey, how you doing? How you doing? So this is how big it actually is. It's kind of loud because of the fan. And then here's my closet. It's a walk-in and it has a light as well, so it has like 3 different racks to hang things on. And that is my apartment. I'm like here for the lighting in the apartment mainly. I'm like not mad at it at all. So one thing that I think is interesting, as you can see now, is upstairs it's just like, I mean, I guess during the day, you know, when it's sunny, it's kind of lit. As you can see, it's kind of dark compared to like downstairs how much light there is. because this is the only window I have going outside. Outside, it's not even going outside. I guess I should face this way. So that's why I'm looking to bring in a lot of light. I have this lamp, which usually is pretty lit. Get it? Anyway, I have this lamp, I have a lamp by my bed. This is the only light in the room, and I'm hoping it's gonna be enough. Oh, I see the fly. So far, I'm like really excited to kind of get everything together, see how it's gonna turn out. And yeah, new beginnings, yay! Now I'm gonna clean. I already cleaned all of downstairs while my camera was charging. So now I'm gonna clean upstairs. I'm gonna try to start putting some, I don't even know, like some of the decorations out. We're gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you my room. I'm done for today, but I'm gonna be back tomorrow to do some more stuff, and I wanted to show you because I've kind of started to get a little something together. So let's start here. When you first walk up, this is what it's looking like. So I have this rug, and on camera these pinks look like they're a little bit clashing, but you know, I'm here. It's okay, it's okay. So I have this rug that I'm thinking I'm just gonna keep like in the front. It's a cute little faux accent rug. And then over here I have this light I got from Walmart, which I actually got when I was in Dallas. I kept it at the house and now I have it. And this is my other live plant. So I like this area, I like the vibe of it. And in a few days I'm going to have, I'm gonna have these curtains hanging from here, so this whole little area is gonna be really cute. I might even get like a picture with some pink accent to like go in between the two white curtains. And then I have my bed. This is my comforter. It's white and gray. I wanted to do all white, but then I thought maybe that was a little bit too washed out, so I wanted just a little bit of color with it. I need to get my other pillow for my pillowcase. And then here, I'm gonna put my TV here. And then this is like one of my favorite areas. This is the lamp that I ended up getting from Walmart. I really like it. I was debating on getting like a gold accent lamp, which actually would have been really cute, but this one was kind of safe. I feel like it's different, but it's also like a good amount of light, and I think it goes really well with the whole area. And then here she is, my cute little orchid. I love her. And then the bathroom. So, as you can see, I put the two rugs down, which I'm really excited for. Right here, once you see the curtain, you're gonna be like, oh, it all makes sense. It all makes sense. And here, I got this from, where did I get this? Marshall's. And I love it because if you can see, it actually, the vase, the holder is pink. It's actually, I don't know if you can really tell, but this part, it's like a gradient of a light pink, and it's like so perfect going with the carpet. So I'm really happy it's all coming together. I'm really excited to, I of course still have much to do. I need to get an accent pillow. My mom, amazing, she's actually getting me this beautiful tapestry to go above my bed, and it's gonna be crazy because it's like, it's not tie-dye, but I guess I can put the camera on me. It's not tie-dye, but it's this like, oh, I just can't wait till you guys see it, because when she showed me the options, I was like, love it. It has all of these colors. It's gonna have the pink and the white that's gonna bring it all together, but it's gonna bring like a lot of just really character to the room. I love it so far, but I still feel like it's really missing something. And even thinking of all the things I'm still gonna do, I feel like it's still missing something. So, if you have any ideas, let me know.